See, always I used to say that fish resource is a natural resource, it's a God-given resources. तसे जाताच सकस जातात.
ना आपण लास्ट 2 years पयलीं गव्हर्मेंटान मोबायल फिश स्टार्ट केले पूण सद्या आतां ते कितें
ते चालू आसा.
ना
ते चालू आसा. आमी दिल्या. आमी 4 हे दिल्या मोबायल वेन ड्युरिंग माय टेन्यूर. आतां इमिजिएटली
बार्देशान दिले ते खंय
देखून तुम्ही कितें करात, तुम्ही कोणाक इंट्रस्ट आहा दे हॅव टू अप्लाय टू दी फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट फॉर दॅट fish outlets.
Any attempts to bring down the prices because there is...
See, price is directly connected to the availability of the fish. So my vision and my whole priority is to control the fish price by regulating the fishing activities right from the source. Right from the source means from the jetties. Because there are a lot of trading going on without even supplying to the local population. They directly transfer to outside for export or other things. That's why for processing and export. Therefore, we need to formulate a policy to control those activities at the fishing jetty itself.
अजूनही मेकॅनिझम काय नाही गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे की कितले फिशिंग
we know how what is the catch, what is the quantity of fish through this ocular system. म्हणजे असे
सांगलेले
but we need to provide the technology in order to ascertain the movement of fish, particularly for the safety of the fishermen.
The department is working on that any day.
Yes, it is my priority of my department to see that it has to be modernized. The jetties has to be modernized in order to effect all this data. Once we come to know the data of the fish catch, then we can regulate the related activities. And the cold storages घालून आणि कितें घालून आतां पळय लास्ट टायम CM visited last week CM visited the wholesale market. थिंगा कितें जातालें होलसेल मार्केटाक कितें चलता तें खबरूच ना. म्हणजे फिश केन्ना येता आनी कितें येता कोण रिटेलूय थिंगा करताले. सो वी हॅव स्टॉप दोज रिटेल सेल त्या जाग्यार. सो आमकां आतां कितें जाता आतां क्लियरली कळटलें कितले बाबा थिंगा होलसेलान ट्रान्जॅक्शन जाता, कोण तें ट्रान्जॅक्शन करता.
तो फाटल्या जे हे आसले पळय मिनिस्टर आसले तेणी ते कितके कोटी म्हणून ताचेर हें केलें पूण आतां आसा तशें परत ताचेर लांची लागता ते सँडबार म्हणटा परत
Formation of sandbar is a natural phenomenon that nobody can stop, but we are trying to construct a training walls म्हणून घाता तेका. Training wall means in on land we call retaining wall.
ते ऑलरेडी
सँक्शन जाल्ले बट थिंगा कितें आसा थिंगा ते थोडे लोक ऑब्जेक्ट करता. त्यांची माहिती प्रमाणे what they say, if you put up a training wall, there will be some disaster may happen on the either side. So त्यापासून again I may go into the detail. कित्याक ते एक्सपर्टान ते दिल्ले आसा. Expert has suggested for a training wall, but the local population, the community is apprehensive of that. So either we need to get the opinion, second opinion from the different agencies to and convince the fishing community. Instruction दिले. You are very pertinent question to me because all the jetties has to be put to its ultimate use. ते misuse जावपाक जायना आनी indisciplinean चलपाक जायना तें. So I have asked my department to go and survey what are the activities other than fisheries going on. थोडे जेटीनी अशे abandoned canoes, abandoned ते बोटी बी स्क्रॅप केल्ल्यो बोटी थिंगा आसतात. So I have instructed them to remove all these unwanted things and see that only the berthing facilities has to be carried out. आता तूं सांगता ते भशेन आनी कितें चलता जाल्यार मातशें आमी चॅक करचें पडटलें. We have to immediately stop it. I will ask my fisheries surveyor to go and visit all the jetties.